Welcome to West Point Physical Therapy, one of the leading providers in the rehabilitation industry in Southern California. More than 20 years of experience are behind the most comprehensive range of clinical services available anywhere. We are setting a benchmark for services and clinical standards in the evolving sector of healthcare management organizations. We provide patients with the best skills and equipment to make the rehabilitation process as easy, comfortable, and complete as possible. Our physical therapists select appropriate tests to evaluate and quantitatively measure the patient's dysfunction. Then, in consultation with the referring physician, an appropriate rehabilitation plan is developed. Our services include physical rehabilitation, occupational therapy, and computerized range of motion and strength testing. Occupational therapy is skilled intervention that helps individuals achieve independence in all facets of their lives. It gives people the skills for the job of living, necessary for independent and satisfying lives. Our occupational therapy department specializes in upper extremity and hand rehabilitation. Services include customized treatment programs to improve one's ability to perform work, productive, and daily activities, performance skills assessments and treatment, adaptive equipment recommendations and usage training, splint recommendations and fabrication, guidance to family members and caregivers. While providing physical restorative care, a muscle substitution pattern can be more readily identified. Hyperactive or inhibited muscle sets may be described. Surface EMG can give a higher level of confidence that the prescribed therapeutic exercise will more quickly restore function. The SEMG information may actually be feedback to the patient when trying to teach the desired activity. Surface EMG may be used to better understand how a fixated joint is causing a broader problem, and it allows one to see how the mobilization of a joint has allowed the muscles to reorganize themselves. And when used as a training tool, one can teach the patient how to use their body, muscles differently, so that the joint fixation won't replicate itself in the future. In conditions which involve chronic pain, antalgic postures may readily be identified. Surface EMG can help find the tension in a reputed tension headache. The source of such pain can reside at a distance from the site of reported pain. Potential perpetuating factors associated with myofascial pain disorders may be described, and the SEMG feedback given to the patient as part of the retraining process. At West Point, we have added a new dimension to rehabilitation with aquatic therapy. With water temperatures set between approximately 92 and 96 degrees, aquatic therapy can be used as a supplement to or in conjunction with land-based therapy. It's ideal for compression-sensitive or weight-bearing restricted patients. In this variable weight-resistive environment, our therapists can increase exercise levels safely while implementing pain-free functional activities. Aquatic therapy is beneficial for many conditions, like hip, knee, and ankle injuries or surgery, shoulder injuries or surgery, prenatal pain or conditioning, gait and balance deficits, sports rehabilitation, spine injuries, and chronic pain. Established goals often include relieving symptoms and pain and helping the patients return to their maximum independence as quickly and easily as possible. Wound care takes place at an outpatient clinic and involves caring for patients who have chronic, non-healing wounds, such as pressure ulcers, bed sores, decubitus ulcers, and diabetic ulcers. This is usually performed by implementing a combination of treatments, such as ultrasound, electrical stimulation, whirlpool therapy, debridement, wound dressing, and exercise. Our administrative personnel and computerized system ensure a comprehensive follow-up and treatment of every patient according to their physician's instructions. West Point Physical Therapy Center, with more than 6 locations in Southern California.